to this video where we would be analyzing the various phases of transformation. The key is to take massive actions and set forth on this path of achieving success. So I want you to choose the path or choose the area of your life where you would like to focus on, be it your health or your finances or your relationships or just your own self in terms of your personal excellence. This is something which you need to be very clear about on what is that aspect of your life that you need to focus on. So developing the right mindset on each of these areas and clearing those mental blocks, being mentally tough and persistent in each while working towards these challenges will help you stay put and focus on your journey for a longer duration, right? So I myself have gone through this shift personally, and there have been many people who have been part of my support system and who are still a part of my support system, my mentors and coaches who are available for any challenge that I myself go through. This fact of where I wish to start helping others and help them achieve their complete potential or their full potential stems from this fact that I have had these wonderful people along this journey of mine, right? That's the reason I have set out on this mission and this great vision of impacting about 100,000 lives in the next 3 years, right? So definitely, if I can do it, you can also do it with the right kind of support system. So let's go through these phases of transformation so you know what is it that we are speaking about. Now this is the pyramid of transformation, which will help you understand on what is the process. See, the base is about awareness. So now we are in the awareness stage wherein you know that something needs to change within you, and then you are willing to take responsibility wherein you are creating your own reality, right? So you are willing to take responsibility of either working on your health, attracting abundance, your relationships, or your personal excellence, whether it's your career or business, whatever. Then comes, if there is any shame or blame which is attached to your the mental blocks that are stopping you, which I mentioned. So learning to forgive people and situations so that you are able to move ahead in this journey, that's where you will feel safe. And then there is this joy that you are already there. I mean, you have already arrived in this phase of transformation, right? So only when you are having an open mind and that curiosity within you is alive to know what is next, right? That's when this journey of learning will continue, right? So you always need to have this wonder within you on how can you maximize and move to the next level. I would also like to take you through Maslow's hierarchy of needs. We as humans, the psychology is we first focus on the physiological and the biological needs, which is about breathing, food, water, sex, sleep, homeostasis, and excretion. Homeostasis is nothing but the body's need to maintain balance. So automatically it regains that balance within itself. Then comes the safety needs, which is about security of your body, your employment, resources, morality, the family, health, and property. Then comes love and belongingness, which is about friendship, family, and sexual intimacy. Then is about self-esteem, your self-worth. How much do you trust in your abilities? So your self-esteem, your confidence, achievement, respect of others, and respect by others. So that's again your self-respect is what we are looking at. Then comes the higher need, which is about self-actualization, where we are speaking about morality, creativity, spontaneity, problem solving, lack of prejudice, acceptance of facts. So here is where you let go of your ego and you are in a path where you are not worried about what other people think about you. You are more concerned about improving yourself and going to the next level, right? There's another pyramid which I would like to show you. It's similar to the earlier one, but this is where we want to see the biological and physiological needs is something that we have discussed on, which are your basic life needs. Safety needs is about again your protection and security. Belongingness and love needs is about your relationships, be it personal or professional. Then comes your self-esteem needs. Then your cognitive needs in terms of your knowledge, meaning, and self-awareness. Aesthetic needs, it's about beauty, balance, form, etc. Self-actualization, it is about personal growth and self-fulfillment. And transcendence is about helping others to self-actualize. Now if you notice, until this esteem needs, the bottom four are your motivating needs, which motivates you to keep moving ahead. And beyond those are your higher needs, right? So once your basic needs are fulfilled, right, the one which you're already motivated with, that is already fulfilled, that's when you move on to your higher needs, right? And this is a state of absolute bliss. When we speak about higher needs, the moment you are into the self actualization and transcendence stage, you are just not bothered about what others think at all. You are just with the motive of, helping people and going beyond the call of duty, right? And this is a state, irrespective of the amount of money or fame you might have, this is a stage where people strive, or they are just hungry to reach there, right? And that's where I would like to help you to reach this particular stage of self actualization and transcendence, right? The first phase, which is the success optimization formula, that's more about awareness and taking up responsibility. Success optimization challenge, where you are challenging yourself and pushing yourself out of your comfort zone to move ahead in your success journey in terms of fulfilling your basic needs. Now, basic needs of what? Of course, this is something which is biological, so that is taken care of. Your safety, love, belonging, this is where we are focusing on in the fitness challenge or abundance challenge, in terms of attracting money and wealth into your life, in terms of your relationships, right? So that's where the love and belongingness comes into play. And then comes your personal excellence, which is where your self esteem comes into play. And when it comes to your the third phase, that's where your self actualization would come into play, right? Wherein you are moving ahead and wanting to reach a stage where you are able to reach the stage of transcendence, where you want to help others self actualize, right? Success optimization intensive is about this, wherein you are moving into the self actualization and transcendence stage, right? The other two phases would be purely based on your safety, belongingness needs, also your self esteem, which is your personal excellence part of it, right? Self esteem, your aesthetic and cognitive, all these three would be in your personal excellence. So I mean, this is where you need to have the courage to take some action and move ahead in this particular journey.